Welcome sa E-SKUL ng Bayan. Andito ako para samahan kayong mag-review. Tara, aral!
Ang lesson natin today is rational expressions. Okay, so ano yung rational expressions? Ito yung algebraic expressions natin whose numerator and denominator are both polynomials. Okay, so in a way, pwede natin sabihin na yung polynomials natin are also rational expressions na ang iyong denominator is just equal to 1. Dapat, of course, ang denominator natin is not equal to 0. Otherwise, undefined siya. An example of a rational expression is this one. Meron tayong x over y. How about this one? Rational expression ba to? Yes. Okay, kasi may polynomial ka sa numerator, meron ka ding polynomial sa denominator. How about this one? Is this a rational expression? Hindi. Kasi meron kang x raised to 1/2. Okay, so this is actually a radical expression. So this one is not a rational expression. How about this one? This is a rational expression kasi ang 7 can be considered as a polynomial. Okay? How about this one? Pwede rin. Okay? Ito yung sinasabi ko na yung polynomials natin are also considered as rational expressions. Okay? But not all rational expressions are polynomials. How about this one? This is not a rational expression. Okay, kasi meron kang radicand sa baba. Okay, so bago tayo mag-discuss ng operations on rational expressions, recall your grouping method and then also yung special product. Sana medyo memorize nyo na yung special products para hindi kayo nagsasayang ng oras. Okay, so multiplying rational expressions. What you're gonna do is factor the numerator and the denominator of each rational expression, okay? And then cancel out lang yung common terms na meron. So, for example, if we have here 53 over 4x times 46x squared over 31, okay? Dito ginawa ko prime factorization, okay? So, pwede rin naman na hindi prime factorization, pero yun yung way para makita mo talaga lahat, okay? Na wala kang may mamimiss. So, here, ano makakancel dito? Yung 2 and yung x. So, ang may iwan is yung 53 times 21 and yung 2 times 31. Okay, so the answer here would be 1,219x over 62. Okay, how about if meron tayong ganito? So here, titingnan mo kung ano yung mga pwede mong i-factor. Yung x plus 1, prime na yan. Okay? So x plus 1 pa rin yan. How about this one? 2x plus 1. Prime din yan, no? Itong 4, pwede mo siyang gawing 2 times 2, pero pwede rin na iwan mo lang muna as 4. How about this one? 4x plus 2. Pwede mong i-factor out yung 2 kasi may GCF yung dalawa mong terms. So, if you factor out 2, you will get this one. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, as you can see, meron kang pwede nang i-cancel. Ano yung common factor mo dito? 2x plus 1 and itong 2x plus 1 sa baba. Pag nag-cancel itong dalawa, we will have x plus 1 over 8. Okay? So, i-discuss muna yung multiplying and dividing saka tayo magsagot ng examples, ha? Take the inverse of the divisor, then multiply the rational expressions. Okay, so, in essence, parang pareho lang to sa concepts ng ating operations on fractions, di ba? So, if you have this one, 2x cubed y over 4z divided by x squared y squared over 12, okay? Kukunin mo yung inverse ng divisor mo, itong x squared, y squared over 12. Paano nga yun? Multiplicative inverse, ha? Or reciprocal. So, itong magiging 12 over x squared over y squared. Okay? Now, ano yung mga pwede natin i-cancel dito? Sinulat ko lang siya this way para makita ko ano yung mga ka-cancel. Yung ating x squared, okay? And then yung y, tsaka itong 4. Ang may iwan is 2x 3 over z y. Or 6x over yz. So dito guys, magpa-factoring tayo, ha? 7x squared. Okay, for the first example, hindi muna. 7x x squared times x plus 4 over 2x minus 1 times x plus 4 times 2x minus 1 over x plus 8, x plus 3. Okay, ano yung common factors natin? Meron tayong x plus 4 over x plus 4. Guys, pwede kayong mag-cancel from this side or from this rational expression and dito ha, as long as numerator, denominator yung pag-cancel mo. Okay? Kasi multiplication lang naman ang meron tayo. So, 2x minus 1 and then itong 2x minus 1. Okay? Ano pa? Wala na. So, our final answer here is going to be 7x squared over x plus 8 times x plus 3. O kunwari, hindi naka-factor out sa choices. Okay? Para na yung ma-practice yung multiplying. So, dito meron kang 7x squared. Sa baba, meron kang x squared. So, positive, positive. Add mo lang sila pareho. Plus 11x plus 8 times 3, 24. Okay? Number 2, 3x squared plus 18x over x plus 8 times 1 over x plus 6. Okay? So, alam niyo naman guys na kapag may kailangan kayong i-factor, di ba? Kasi kunwari, ganito. So, syempre, i-expect mo na may x plus 6 or x plus 8 ka dito. Anong common factors ng dalawang terms na to? 3x, right? So, factor out natin ang 3x. We will have 3x times x plus 6 over, syempre, x plus 8 pa rin yan times this one. Kakancel lang x plus 6. Ang may iwan sa atin is 3x over x plus 8. Number 3. Pwede kayong magsumabay ng sagot, guys, ha? I mean, sa paper nyo. Hindi ako magbibigay ng examples or like quiz kasi may worksheet naman. Okay. X squared minus 5x minus 36. 3x cubed plus 12x squared. Okay. So, ito, hayaan muna natin siya. X minus 9. Okay na yan. So, itong second rational expression natin yung ating i-factor out. Okay, this one, so x squared lang siya, so alam natin may x and x ka. Okay, so this is negative, ibig sabihin, magsasubtract tayo ng factors nitong 36 to get 5. Ano sa tingin nyo? That would be 9 and 4, right? 9 minus 4, you will get 5. Okay, so ano yung magiging negative? Since negative ito, ibig sabihin yung larger number yung negative, positive itong smaller number. Okay? How about itong nasa baba? 3x cubed plus 12x squared. So, greatest common factor nila would be 3x squared. Times, ang may iwan dito x, may iwan dito would be plus 4. Okay? Ano yung mga magka-cancel out? This one and this one, this one and this one. How about here? X squared, cancel. Itong 3, divisible by 3. Ito, divisible by 3. We will have 15. Ang final answer natin dito is 15. Okay? Number 4. X plus 4 squared minus x plus 1 squared over x plus 2x plus 2 divided by 4x plus 10 over 3x plus 3. Okay? So, ito, i-factor out natin ito. So, as you can see, guys, meron kang difference of 2 squares. Nakikita niyo ba yung difference of 2 squares dyan? X plus 4 squared minus this squared. Okay? So, ang pattern natin would be this plus this, okay, times this plus minus this one. So, we have x plus 4 plus x plus 1. Itong nasa loob lang ha. So, kunwari, para kang may u squared minus y squared. So, u plus y, then u minus y. Okay? Guys, I'm assuming na alam niyo yung factoring ha. So, here we will have x plus 4. Ito, minus yung nandito. Minus x plus 1. So, minus x minus 1. Okay? Over, paano ito yung factor? X plus 1 times x plus 1. Right? Okay. Gagawin ko ng multiplication. ito yung ilalagay ko dito sa taas or numerator, ito mapupunta sa denominator, right? Or pwede rin nyo rin i-rewrite muna siya as their reciprocal. Pero dito i-direct ko na. Anong common factors nila? 3. So you have 3 times x plus 1. How about here? Common factors nila would be 2. Okay, so 2x plus 5. Simplify natin ito. Ito magiging 2x plus 5 times, how about this one? Magkakancel lang yung x kasi x minus x. 4 minus 1, so that's 3 over x plus 1 times 3x plus 1, 2 times 2x plus 5. Okay, so magkakancel isang x plus 1 at itong 2x plus 5. Ang may iwan sa atin is 3 times 3, so that's 9, over x plus 1 times 2 or 2x plus 1. Okay? Pwede nyo rin itong i-distribute yung 2. So, depende na lang kung ano yung nasa choices. Equal din yan sa 9 over 2x plus 2. May tanong ba so far? Guys, na-recognize naman na difference of 2 squares to, di ba? Correct?
Paano po nangyari, ma'am, yung yung x plus 4 plus x plus 1 plus, yung nasa taas po.
Sige. Okay. So, remember guys, yung lesson natin sa factoring yung difference of 2 squares. Okay? Kapag meron kang difference of 2 squares, for example, iba to guys ha? So, for example, meron kang x squared minus 4. Anong factors nito? Di ba? X, square root lang nito, x, plus square root nito, times square root nito, minus square root nito. Okay? So, meron kang ganyan na form, di ba? So, here, para ka rin may ganun. Imagine niyo you can assign this one as a variable. U is equal to x plus 4. Ito naman, y is equal to x plus 1. So, ito, parang meron kang u squared minus y squared. Okay? So, ano ang factors niyan? U plus y times u minus y. Okay? So, but what is u? That's x plus 4. Ano yung y mo? Itong x plus 1. Okay? Tapos, ito naman, x plus 4 ulit, minus x plus 1. So, din-distribute ko lang. Minus x plus 1, that's equal to negative x minus 1. Okay? So, ito yung numerator natin kanina. Nakuha na ba? Nakuha ba't ako nag-substitute dito? Para lang makita nyo na naka-square to. Kasi kung titignan nyo guys, meron kang polynomial dito na squared. Okay? Meron ka din ditong value, something squared. So, difference siya ng 2 squares. Okay? 3x squared minus 25x minus 18 over 27x plus 18 divided by 5x minus 3, 5x squared minus 33x plus 18. Okay? Anong factors nito? Kung mapapansin nyo guys, yung 3 mo is a prime. So, sure ka na 3 and 1 lang yan. So, 3x and x na dyan automatically. So, this is negative. Ibig sabihin, magsasubtract tayo. So, ano yung multiply natin sa 3 and 1 na factors ng 18? Okay? And then, yung products nila na yun, kapag isubtract mo, makukuha mo yung 25. Okay? So, ang factors nito is 18 and 1, 9 and 2, 6 and 3. Let's try siguro yung 9 and 2, right? 9 times 3, that's 27. 2 times x, that's 2x. So, 27x minus 2x, makukuha mo yung 25. Okay? Since yung partner ng 3 is 9, ibig sabihin nandito yung 9. Since yung partner ng x is 2, so nasa kabila yung 2. Ano yung negative? Kung ano yung may mas malaking product. Kasi negative yung b mo. So, negative. Ito yung positive. How about this one? Yung sa baba, common factors nila would be 9. 3x plus 2. divided by, so i-multiply na natin yan. Ito yung unahin natin kasi ito yung magiging numerator natin. Okay, so 5 is a prime number ulit. So 5x and x na yan automatically. Okay? This time, 18. Ano sa tingin nyo yung magiging combinations natin na makukuha natin yung 33? I think it's 6 and 3. Okay? Kasi if you multiply 6 sa 5, you will get 30. And then 3 times x, that's 3x. So 30x plus 3x, makakuha mo yung 33. But this time, nag-add ako. Bakit? Kasi positive ito. Okay, yun yung mga tell natin. Ito negative, so magsasubtract ka. Ito positive, so mag-a-add ka. Okay? So, ano yung magiging signs nila? 6 dito, dito yung 3. Ano yung magiging signs nila? Parehong negative, kasi negative yung b mo. Okay? Over 5x minus 3. So, minsan clue nyo rin yung mga nandito, di ba? Kasi ina-expect mong magka-cancel ka ng mga bagay-bagay. Pero guys, huwag nyo ipilit, ha? Baka naman hindi talaga yun yung sagot, tapos pinipilit nyo na. Clue lang siya. So here, we can cancel 5x minus 3 and 5x minus 3. What else? This one. Our final answer is x minus 9 times x minus 6. Okay, so kunwari wala to sa choices. Para ma-practice din tayo. X squared minus 15x plus 54. Okay? Over 9.